In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create subpages in Microsoft Loop. If you've been building out content in Loop and want a cleaner way to organize related ideas, subpages are the way to go. Think of them like chapters inside a book. The main page is the chapter title, and subpages hold the details. This keeps your workspace tidy and makes it easier to navigate as your project grows. Start by opening the workspace that contains the page you're working on. In the left sidebar, you'll see your list of pages. Find the page you want to add a subpage under and hover over it. Click the three dots next to its name to open the menu. From there, choose New Subpage. A fresh page will appear, nested under the main one. Give it a clear, descriptive name and start typing your content. You'll notice it's indented beneath the parent page in the sidebar, which is your visual cue that the structure is in place. You can repeat this process to build out multiple layers of organization. Just keep in mind that Loop supports nesting up to 5 levels deep. That's usually plenty for most projects, and it helps prevent your workspace from becoming too complex. If you don't see the new subpage option, there are 2 common reasons. First, make sure you're inside a workspace. Subpages only work within workspaces, not in standalone pages outside of them. Second, double-check that you clicked the 3-dot menu for the exact page you want to nest under, not a different item or a higher-level container. Switching to the correct menu usually makes the option appear. There's also a flexible alternative if you want to reference one page inside another without nesting it in the sidebar. Open the page you want to reference, go to Share, and choose Loop Component, or simply copy the link. Paste that link inside another page, and Loop will display it as a rich, embedded link. This creates a neat, in-context reference that people can open right from the page they're reading. Just remember, this method links the content, but doesn't create a true subpage in the sidebar. That's all there is to it. Use subpages for structure and embedded links for context. With a clear hierarchy, your team can find what they need faster and keep work flowing smoothly.